Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, welcome back to AWS classes. Again, uh, last class, Sham joined. Welcome, Gayatri. Thanks for joining.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Lokesh.
Hi, Gayatri. Yeah, today actually we are discussing about EBS, Elastic Block Storage, and previous class was about AWS IAM roles and also how to manage CLI. Okay, AWS how to manage AWS CLI by using, yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Gayatri, please keep in mute. We can
Okay,
better
okay.
understand. Yeah, yeah. Last class was about IAM roles, and also we have seen Amazon CLI, right? Amazon
Yes, sir.
how to manage Amazon by using command line interface. Okay, in practically I have shown everything, and also I have uploaded one S3 object by using CLI, and also we have seen output in S3. So today we are going to discussing about elastic block storage. Guys, what is storage exactly? Could you please anyone respond? What is storage? What is elastic block storage? What is storage? Generally, what we can call storage.
A place where we keep the data to store our data.
Yes, you are right. Thanks for the response. Yeah, you are right. But elastic block store in the sense, we elastic in the sense it's completely flexible. If you want, you can attach. If you want, you can also detach. So, for example, EC2 also. Okay, EC2 also like that, right? What is EC2? Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, so EC2, if you want to, if you whenever you want, you can able to take EC2 also from whatever Amazon or from AWS. We can take EC2 services also. So and elastic IP also I have explained to you guys. So whenever we have seen VPC, while we are doing AWS VPC also, at the time I have shown you elastic IP address. Elastic IP in the sense whenever you required, so you can able to attach elastic IP dedicatedly for VPC. In the sense you can attach and you can detach. So if you attach elastic IP, it is dedicatedly, it will be keep with, you can keep with the VPC. Okay, so that is what elastic, if flexibility, elastic in the sense flexibility. You, if you want, you can keep, otherwise you can remove. The same way EBS also, elastic block storages, it will storage in the form of blocks. Okay, I want to share my screen and I will show you PPT which I have prepared. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen, guys? So before going to
Yes, sir.
EBS, you can see, you just know about the storage types. Okay, so this is AWS storage services. This is objects storage. What is object? Object in the sense it is the content or file or text, anything, whatever the object. In S3 we used to call a object, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, object storage. Object storage treats each piece of the data as an object with its own unique identifier and metadata. What is metadata? Data of the data. Data of the data. That is called as metadata. So this is actually this objects, whatever objects are there, that is connected each other, but it is not hierarchy. It is not organized. Okay. So objects are stored in pool rather than in a folder hierarchy like file storage. Okay, This is not like a file storage. Okay, this makes difference. Okay, see, this makes object storage ideal for storing large amount of unstructured data, right? This is unstructured data. It is connected here and there, here and there, here and there, completely unstructured data. For example, if you see file storage, it is completely organized and hierarchy level, file after file, file after file, file inside folder, folder inside folder, like that. Okay, see this. So for example, if you see um, if you see my PC, this is my PC. Just give me 1 second, it's a bit slow. Okay, this is my PC. C drive, folder, these are completely, see, organized, structured. Okay, folder inside folder, this is completely, see, hierarchy level. So Windows, if you see, this is folder inside, so completely hierarchy level. Okay, so if you see this storage type, this is completely, this storage type is file storage. Earlier we have seen object storage. File storage, it is in the form of tree, like tree structure. Okay, for example, if you see AWS instances are available now. Just give me 1 second, I'll try to create one instance. Yes, this subnet, did I delete subnet? No subnet found. Either your account has no subnet, this region invalid. Oh, okay. Let me try. It will take default all. Yeah. 1 second, guys. That got created instances. Guys, now it's clear my voice than earlier. Yeah, let me try to connect with the server EC2 instance. I'll directly connect. I don't want to waste time. 1 second. I think yeah, that's what I'm doing. File is not this already not existed, that's why I should remove this. If it is already existed, we have to use. Okay, let me take touch, it is easy. Spelling mistake, right? Thank you. MKDIR. Yeah, got created. Fine. Right? Can you see this? Okay. Touch file. Sorry. See this? In root we have created files. It is organized. Okay. For example, I'll create another file. So mkdir file, sorry, dir 1 2 3. Let's try this. See, this directories also got created, right? So tree. See, this is completely organized. Okay. See this? So in the sense it is in hierarchy. Okay, in one directory. For example, let me go into directory 1. In this I'll also create one file. See this? Under directory you can see test. Okay, test file. Okay, so this is hierarchy. Okay, under what is this dot, it is root. Under root, files which I have created, the files which I have created under root. So this is actually hierarchy. This hierarchy also will follow these all files. Okay, so file storage will follow the hierarchy level. Okay, like this, structure by structure. Okay, next come to storage types. Okay, another storage type is 3 storage types we have. One is object, another one is file, and next one is block storage. Blocks, it will be stored in the form of blocks. Okay, separate blocks. Okay, you can read like this. Okay, block storage divides data into fixed size blocks that are stored independently. This makes block storage ideal for storing data that needs to be accessed quickly, such as database files. However, okay, so like database files are there na, so those files which will be stored in the form of blocks. Okay, and OS, operating system also, those files will be in the form of block storage. Okay, it can be difficult to manage large number of blocks. Okay, so let's see storage EBS. What is exactly EBS? I think these type you just simply understand for the knowledge, whatever like object storage, file storage, and block storage. So in EBS it will be stored in the form of block. Okay, EBS is a block storage service offered by Amazon Web Services. Block storage is a type of storage that divides data into fixed sized blocks. Okay, which can be easily accessed and modified. That is the purpose of block storage. See, here EBS volumes need to be formatted before you can use them. Okay, if you create one EBS volume, you have to format before using them. Okay, so for example, if you already created EBS volume, Okay, so you are attaching that to some other thing, or else you are copying it to one region to another region, or one availability to another availability zone. If another availability zone, if you copy it again, if you format it, whatever the snapshot or whatever the data was there, that data will be erased. But initially you can able to format, but after keeping the data you should not format. Okay, entire data will be erased, completely vanished, wiped out. Okay, this means you can choose the type of file system you want to use them in the volume. Okay, EBS is a relatively fast and cheap storage option. Okay, just remember, just keep in mind. With the new announcement of from Amazon, you can store up to 16 TB. Okay, 60 up to 16 TB you can able to store. 16 TB in the sense 16,000 GB. Okay, okay, okay. With you know, you can create snapshots. What is a snapshot, guys? Have you heard about this? Anything, any snapshot, not Snapchat. It's snapshots. Okay. What is snapshot? Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? This terminology is much important. That's why I'm trying to emphasizing you people. What is the meaning of snapshot? Anyone, please. Anyone respond. Hmm? Gayatri. No, actually, snapshot in the sense, yeah, snapshot in the sense, uh, it's a kind of, but exactly not that screenshots. But the thing is this is the purpose of uh, backups, file backups. For example, I have one server. There is a lot of data and applications in that. Okay, there are multiple applications or one application in that server. So if you forget, if maybe you might have forgot that you didn't do anything, any kind of uh, ba- backups. Something happened to your server unexpectedly, it is crashed. What will happen? Whatever your developers and whatever entire your complete team efforts will be collapse. So for that, what we will do is we will take snapshots. This snapshot concepts is there in Amazon. Okay, this shop snapshots. Have you heard about AMI? Okay, we'll talk about that later. Okay, snapshots is for backups. See, you can create snapshots for EBS volumes while they are running for backup purposes. See this, right? Guys, you, while I am asking, you can also see here, you can copy from here itself. Why didn't you respond? Okay. Anyways, that's okay, jokes apart. EBS volumes only exit in a single availability zone. Okay, yes, let me come here and I want to create duplicate slide. See guys, this is entire VPC. Okay, so let me go properly then. This is not looking good actually. No problem. I don't want to go hurry because you have to understand. Okay. Otherwise, it will be difficult again, or else you will get more confusion. Can you see my screen properly? Okay. So if you consider this is one VPC. Okay. Under this is one subnet. This is one subnet. Okay, this is another one. Okay, or else you can consider this is one availability zone, this is another one availability zone. Okay, this is 1A, for example, 1A availability zone you can keep here, and this one is 1B availability zone. Okay, so you one server is there, EC2 instances. Okay, let us consider this circle is one EC2. This is EC2 instance, in the sense you can consider in the machine it's a server. Okay, server 1, this server. Okay, in this server we have, maybe while we are creating, Sham, just do concentrate. If you really not understand, try to ask me. Okay, so for example, this is EC2 instances. In this EC2 instance you might have installed one server, maybe that is, for example, if it is a server or anything else like Jenkins. Okay, so with this server, while you are creating the EC2 instances, while you are launching EC2 instances, you might have considered 5 GB. Okay, so but in your project, day by day, code is increasing, data is increasing, you are keeping some kind of data continuously keeping, so your 5 GB data gone completely full. Okay, it is came to end up. Okay, almost it is reached up to 90%. So then what you will do? I'm asking guys, I need respond. So your entire your server completely reached up to 90% storage. Then what is the solution for this? Okay, what is the how can we extend the storage? Directly can we do? So then how can we do? Yeah, 100%. Whatever the service which you have, which is provided by AWS, definitely it is, it is chargeable. Okay, we have to buy the storage in the form of what? How can we store? How can we buy the storage, and how can we attach that? So it is different concept in AWS, and DigitalOcean is different. If you edit directly your EC2 your instance or droplet in DigitalOcean, you can directly increase whatever the storage or volumes you can able to increase directly, but whenever you increase you can't decrease your volumes. Okay, so if you might have feasibility to increase your storage, but you might not feasibility, you don't have any feasibility to decrease your storage. Just remind this. Okay, if somebody asks na, definitely you have to answer. So my what is my question? I asked what is the ways to increase the storage. Okay, we have a concept called volume. Okay, for example, if you have some database, okay, you can take this is the database, or volume you can consider. Okay, so if I have some server EC2 instance, each EC2 server have its own storage. In the sense, while we are creating the EC2 instance, we can consider somewhat storage according to as per our initial requirement. Okay, after some time what will happen, or not some time, after few months or years or sometime, okay, so it will be reach up to the mark. Okay, in the storage will be increased. Storage definitely it will be increased up to certain level, 90%. So if it is reached 90%, definitely server will not work, it will get error. Okay, or else server will not respond to your team. Okay, okay, let's check here. Let's check here. This is EC2 instance, right? Yeah, here storage is there, right? See, it will show how much storage you are occupied. Okay, how much percentage you are utilizing. Nothing, I don't have anything. Okay, here it is not showing that much because I'm not using this. For example, let me check. This is actually your root path, exactly EBS is located. Okay, let me go here. Oh, just a second. Yeah, it is AWS console which I directly opened from browser. So we do have three options, Gayatri. We can able to open AWS console directly from Amazon, okay, AWS. And another one is you can able to connect with Mobile Extreme, okay. And also you can able to connect with the Putty and Puttigen. Have you heard about this? Putty. Yeah, like this. So we can able to connect. Even Mobile Extreme also is there. I will let you know. Okay. Guys, can you see this? This is your current storage. Okay, this is your storage. Okay, how much size is 8 GB XVDA, right? Guys, just please observe this. Dev environment XVDA, this is your volume, this is your storage. Can you see here? This is your storage. How much yours? 8 GB is there. Okay, so maybe if it is reached up to 7.8 7.9 like that, so your server will not respond you properly. So you have to check, exactly you have to check your service response and how much storage it is occupied. So then after if you want to increase, so you have a requirement, immediately you have to increase your storage. How? What is the ways are there in AWS? We'll see. Okay, so let me go back, go to volumes. There are concepts called volumes, instances. Okay, see this, guys, elastic block storage. This volumes, you have to click on the volumes. See this volume we have while we are creating EC2 instance, while we are launching, I have blindly chosen 8 GB. Okay, in front of you guys only I have directly selected click by click. Okay, just randomly I have selected 8 GB. Okay, if I am using some applications, very big applications like finance level or finance kind of things, or big applications like payroll system and all, so it related to this, who's having customer continuous eating customers, so those kind of data will be increased. It is reached up to 8 GB, so your server is not responding properly. Then you will get requirement in your company, your boss will tell you, so this is what sham. So now we have to increase the volumes, so the server is not responding. So you guys need to increase the volumes. See this, your volume should be increased. Let us see. Okay, you can see storage. So it is in root. Let me check again. Here you can see somewhere. It is root level. Okay, this is root level volume or storage. Okay, for suppose if you need addition storage for EC2 instance or server, you can create a volume by using this. Okay, you can create a volume. Here you have to create the volume and you have to attach the volume and you have to mount this to your current server which I have created in EC2, right? Maybe for suppose if you think there is a server is going on in that machine, okay, that server is running in that machine, that machine is completely occupied, so I want to attach the volume. I have to create here one volume. That volume we have to attach and we have to mount to the respected server. That's what we are going to do. Okay, let me create here one picture for your understanding. So basically, while we are creating, okay, this is, guys, this is the volume default. This is the default volume, not default, which I have taken earlier. While I am creating EC2 instance, only at that time I have chosen some 8 GB RAM. Okay, you can write 8 GB. Guys, this is chargeable. Okay, immediately after practicing, you have to remove. Okay, so now what will happen is I want to extend up to 10 GB. Then what I have to do, additionally I have to choose or I have to add here. Okay, this is another volume. This is called additional volume. Okay, this is additional volume. Guys, is this visible? Okay then, fine. Okay, so this is entirely whatever EC2 instance and whatever the volume which I have selected, whatever the storage and also additional storage, everything is in one availability zone. This is availability zone 1A. Okay, so these are all in one level. Okay, one availability zone. Okay, if I want to, this block storage cannot be storage multiple instances. For example, I have another instance. Okay, the same instance, if I want to add the same block storage, it is not possible. Okay, you have to create another one. For suppose if I have one more server, we cannot mount this volume to multiple servers. Okay, I do have another server also, for example here. Okay, in this server I have another server here. See this, guys, this is not good. Okay, this is another server. I want to add this additional volume to here. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Okay, so block storages are not shared system. You can also detach. Okay, so if you want to attach the block storage, you can attach. If you want to detach also, you can detach. This is your wish. Okay, so and if you you cannot mount the storage and your server. Okay, you cannot mount the storage and your server if both are in different availability zones. This is what I would like to say actually here. This is one availability zone, this is another availability zone. For suppose my storage is here. Okay, another storage in another availability zone. I cannot mount this to this server in 1A. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, just keep mind it. guys. Okay, and if you want to mount, it should be in a same availability zone. Okay, and suppose if your service suppose if your server is in your Mumbai region, or suppose this is Mumbai region. Okay, and availability zone A. Okay, if other if storage is in another availability, for example this storage, if you consider this storage might be this here. Okay, in an other availability zone, you don't have any, just forget about this. Maybe this storage is in another availability zone, or else by mistakenly you have created your storage in other availability zone. This availability zone you are trying to connect and attach with this your server. Is it possible or not? Okay, it is not possible. This both cannot attach each other. This is what you have to understand. Any doubts, guys? So at that time you have to take snapshot backup. Okay, so yeah, for suppose if I have a server name called Jenkins, I don't want to this server to be attached root volume. I want to attach separate dedicated EBS volume in different path. So can I able to do that? See, this is what, for example, this is Jenkins. This is Jenkins server, for example. I don't want to root volume. Okay, I want to attach only this additional volume. Is it possible? Yes, we can do that. Okay, let's try. So guys, before you are trying to do anything, before you are trying to create additional volume to our server, so we have to check things. Okay, same availability zone or not, for server and volume, same availability zone or not, you have to check. Can I able to create, or can I able to create volume in 1B? This is the question for you guys. So now I'm going to create volume for this server. So can I able to create here or not? Sham, you have to respond. No things. I clearly told you, right? Clearly explained. There is no way. You should not create any volumes in other availability zone. You don't have any access to attach like this. We don't have any option like this. You should not create another availability zone, and you cannot attach. That's what. Okay, let's create one volume practically, guys. This is create volume. So steps you have to remember: create EBS volume, next attach EBS volume to the server or EC2 instance. First one is, first you have to create volumes. Second one is attach EBS volume, whatever EBS volume is there. This one, this EBS volume is there, that you have to attach to the server. It means EC2 instance. You understood? So always continuously you should not use any EC2 instance, because EC2 instance is just a machine. On top of the machine our servers will run. That's the reason I am trying to make you habituate the server. So maybe if it is Nginx server or whatever the server, on top of the server only your application will run. Am I right? So that's the reason you have to use name called servers. Okay, so next one is we have to mount. Okay, we have to mount a directory to the EBS. Okay, this. Okay, so let's try. So guys, you see this volume types. How many volume types we have? GP3, GP in the sense general purpose. Okay, GP2 general purpose 2, provisioned IOPS input output. Okay, so this is one and this is one stages. These are all types. Okay, hard disks are there na guys. Okay, SSD, HDD, those type of hard disks, same like this. This is a kind of machine, cloud machine, so we can able to choose this. Okay, let's choose GP2. Okay, so low level to high level, we can go low level to high level. Okay, I'll go GP2 and size how much guys? 10 GB. Earlier how much we have taken? 8 GB, right? So I want to extend up to 10 GB. So next availability zone, this one, this is availability zone 1A. Okay, snapshot not recommended now. Okay, I will tell you later that about that. Okay, next just leave about all these things and create volume. Now you have to concentrate on how to create the volume first. Okay, so we just have created a storage and we have not attached it to the our server. So which one I have created guys, please let me know which one. This one, right? So I have to keep a name. So this is additional volume. Okay, this is for understanding. I kept a tag, name tag. Okay, so this I have to attach to the my server. You mean EC2 instance. Select this. You have to select this. Okay, selected. Then next, what is this guys? See this actions. Okay, now what I have to do? Attach volume. But why it is not funny? Let me check. Let me refresh this. See guys, attach volume. Guys, attach volume. See, you have to get your server here. Where is your server, man? Which availability zone I have created? That is what we have to check now. I will go back to the EC2 instance. So these are all troubleshooting guys. Whenever if you are while you are creating volumes, something if you are not getting, this is what again we have to create 1A. So even 1B also we are going to use. That's the reason I am going to choose this launch instance. I will keep my server name server 1 AWS Linux. That's fine. This is also fine. Why it is, man? Okay, this fine. Feeder only. See this. Keep here. Server 1. Create key pair. Gayatri, you have to observe. So what I am trying to do. So this will be useful in EC2. Okay. And go to settings, network settings. This is default VPC only. Subnet, no need. Where is availability zone? Subnet availability zone 1B. Where is 1B? Okay, I don't have any other VPC, right? So no, generally it should show 3 VPCs. Where I am Mumbai, we have 3 availability zone guys. Mumbai default we will get 3 availability zones. Okay, so where is others? Where is other availability zones? That's what I need. Okay, subnet. Where is? No, it's okay, no problem. I don't want to do anything. I will create one A. Take default VPC. Okay, this is anything you can keep my subnet. See availability zone A. Okay, simply create. Okay, I forgot this, right? 172.31.0.0/32. No, actually this CADR, actually we have to create CADR. Actually in VPC I have explained you completely this regarding this. Okay, 10.0.0.1/32. That's what I'm trying. 24 also. CADR address not within the, not, it is not within the range. So let's see again 16. Okay. 10.0.32 is max. 24. Let me take this again. CAD range, that's what actually this, whatever the IP is there, this side IP does not contain CAD range this much. I will take 8. No, these many IPs will get 32. Okay, 24, 16. 1 second. 10.0.0.1 slash. One second. This IP for VP CADR block 16 given, actually it is taken 16. Under 16 it should be. Okay, let me try with this subnet 0.0. Sorry. One second. This is default one, right? Yes, this is default. I'll create subnet again. Again we have to create VPC, so no, I don't have time to create VPC. One 172.31.0.0. See, it is taking, right? Create subnet. Oh no, yeah. 20, I will try 20. No. It is not taking. Why? So we can't expect this also. 32 on IP. 20. 10.0.0.1/20. Sorry. guys, whatever it is there I'll use. I don't want to waste time. Okay, so I'll create another VPC later. So with this default I have very less subnets. Okay, let me go back to the volumes. So it is in B, right? It is in B. Okay, volumes. I'll do one thing. I'll create another volume, or else I will modify this volume in B. Okay, modify volume. You can also learn modify here itself. Okay, that's fine. But availability zone, how can we change? There is no option. Let me create, and this I'll delete, and I'll create new one. Delete actions, delete volume, delete. Okay, and create volume, purpose this one, 10 GB. Yeah, we have see, that modification is for extending the volume size. Okay, this is 1A. You see guys, again here 1A. So, but I don't want 1A now because my availability is zone not available. So 1A. So I will go back to this. I'll continue this. So 1B is there, right? I want to let you know. So earlier our volume is 8 GB. Now I extended up to 10 GB. Okay, this is additional volume. Okay, save. This one I have to attach to refresh it. Refreshed. Now you have to attach volume to this is server ID is whatever server, one server is running only. Okay, and let's keep as it is. This I don't want to change my path also. If you have change, you can change. Let's keep as it is. Attach one server, that's fine. Default one, this is data volumes. So earlier what we have selected, guys? So earlier this one, XVDA. Okay, that is blocked already. So just remember guys, this path, what is this? Dev SDB. Okay, fine. Okay, attach volume. Right, now we have attached to the particular server. It will not be mounted automatically, guys. So we have just attached. We have to mount from EB to this one. I already told you, right? This now we have to mount to the mount to EBS. Okay, let's additional volume, actions. Let me refresh this. Okay, just now we'll cross check once again. This is the command, guys. What is the command? ls blk. Okay, ls means list, b means block. Okay, bl means block, so blk means block. Okay, enter. See, whatever, can you please reiterate the path man which I have created? DEV SDB, right? XVDA, where is that? See this, guys, this is 10 GB. 10 GB we got. Okay, let me check, cross check manually. I will show you. Okay, this is, let's go to volumes. Okay, go to volumes. Okay, this is in availability zone 1B. Okay, and 10 GB. Okay, volumes, let me click here. Statistic monitoring details. Okay, so I'm trying to create file system, and XVDF, I need to create a file system, then I need to mount, right? Let's create one directory, guys. Let's create one directory here, mkdir, what directory? Example, EBS hyphen demo, for example, enter. Okay, sudo mkf control x. One second. Slashed. This one, right? 10 GB XVDA. Let me copy. Which one? Can you show me? Guide me. Here, this one. This one, right? XVDB. Again, I'll try sudo. Can you play XVDB? See this, guys. These are all blocks. It is containing some blocks. It is in the storage, different blocks. So allocating groups. See this entire data. It is there. Some default data is there inside. Okay. So let me check. ls lbk. SPLK. Good catch. See. So now let me mount. I need to mount, actually. I am trying to mount with whatever whatever EBS demo is there. Where is that? Some demo. EBS demo I have created, right? This EBS demo I have to mount with directory. Okay. Let's try again. Sudo mount dev. Can you please spell out, guys? X VDB. Okay, what is which I have created something, this one, right? EBS hyphen. Okay, enter. See this, guys, it's mounted. Okay, it's mounted. Let me check again. LSBLK, enter. See this, guys, earlier, come down, you see here, let me check here, show you here, it is XVDB only. Earlier it is this much. Okay, only it is normal volume. Okay, after mounting it is with the EBS demo, right? It is attached. Okay, demo, it is whatever EBS demo is there, it is mounted to XVDB. Got it? Earlier, see this is not mounted. After mounting this, we got, what is the command? Sudo mount. This is our volume DB, and this one is directory. So we can able to attach like this. We can able to mount like this. Okay. If you see directly directory, so this is completely fine. And the next two, can I have a question for you. Can I able to attach this storage to one or more servers, guys? Can anyone please explain why? Nothing else, guys, there is no option like that, because this is block storage. We cannot attach that. Okay, we can attach only one server if it is required. Okay, you can only detach and release it. You understood, guys? Actually, you can, while I am creating only attached. Okay, after that you have to detach. You have to detach this volume and you have to release. After releasing, after detaching, you can able to attach the same volume to different, what I can say, server. So like that we can do. But whenever you already attached with some other server, you cannot attach the same volume to the different server. Okay, you cannot, simply remember this point, like you cannot parallelly attach two servers. That's it. You cannot format that storage while attaching and other server. For example, I have attached to server 1 right now. So where is my this one? Yeah, I have attached to the server 1. Okay, if you want to attach the server 2, okay, if you want to attach to server 2, so what you have to do is, so you have to, where is arrow, not this. Okay, if you want to attach this to this, you have to detach this. You understood? Like this. Like this. If you want to attach here, you have to detach this like this. That's it. Okay. Which one? So we have to mount. Without mounting, you cannot attach this, right? We directly attached by using navigation. We have attached, but you have to attach to the particular path. Okay, this mount you have to do. So for example, now I got a client requirement that I have to migrate my data from one availability to another availability zone. Can I able to do? Guys, my client is in Sydney. Okay, in Sydney there are a lot of availability zones. Just leave about Sydney. Okay, my client is in Mumbai. Different availability zones are there. One client comes under one availability zone. In the same office is an other availability zone. So what happened is, internally they have some storage issue. So I have already attached with the 1 year availability zone. Okay, so this whatever the data is there, the same data need to be migrate to another availability zone. Is it possible? In the sense region to region and availability zone to availability zone migration. This is comes under migration, guys. Is it possible? Guess. Just simply throw a stone. How, Gayatri? So no, actually, this possible? I'll show you here itself. Let me open here option actions. In this only we should have actions options. Is there any migration? Not there, right? So for this purpose we have another concept called snapshot. Already told you snapshot. Okay, so this snapshot, by using snapshot, so this is we have to take a backup. We have to take a backup, and we have to, if you have a backup, at least you can recover whatever the data you have, right? So that data you can recover it, and you can create snapshot for some other regions. Okay, so this is the purpose actually. If for region to region, for availability to availability zone to availability zone, is it? So if you want to migrate from one region to another region, for another availability zone to other availability zone, so from here to there you have option called snapshot, not chat, it is chat. Snapshot. This snapshot can be useful for the migration, data migration. Okay, so let's try, guys, once. Okay, so what is the time now? See this, guys, volumes we have seen, right? Volumes we have seen, snapshots. See this snapshot, you have to create one snapshot, guys. If I want to show, I need to have another availability zone, or else yeah, I don't have availability zone, right? So I'll show you in region, so then it is fine, right? So create snapshot. So what is the name for this? Volume, guys, see this volume, additional volume. See this one I have, that is the purpose I used to use tags. So for example, if I forget using this tag, so how can I choose myself? So even which this is created by me itself, but I'll get confusion once come here into this practical. See, if I forget this name, definitely you'll get confused. This is default one, this is which I have created, but you doesn't know, right, exactly. So that is the purpose of name tags, additional volume. Okay, why it is coming, right? Okay, can I try from here? Let me check one second, I have a doubt. Volumes, additional volume. Hey, see this, guys, we don't need to go here, snapshots also. So you can create the same snapshot. See, so can you give me any name? Purpose of, what is the description, what can give? Something here, anything, just simply random I'm giving it. Create snapshot. So let's go to snapshot. See this, guys, this is the snapshot which I've created. Snapshot status pending. see, whatever the volume is there, whatever additional volume is there, that additional volume, for that additional volume I have created one backup. I have taken backup. Okay, so now my backup is ready, I think so. Let me refresh. Yeah, it's completed. Whatever the data will be there, that whatever the data is there, that data is completely taken backup. Okay, and if there is excuse me, is there any changes or any files or any directories created under this directory, so it will be available backup after taking snapshot. Okay, so it will be reflect. Okay, so it is not synchronous purpose. Okay, to take changes also, whenever you are created snapshot, at that moment whatever data is there, okay, whatever data is there that was available, entire data will be available and replicable, but not changes after snapshot. Guys, what I'm trying to say, you understood? Or I'll try to take example. For example, this is snapshot. This is snapshot at what time I have created, 11:42 for example. Okay, this time whatever the data is there, for example we have created one directory, so and so directory, some EBS something. Okay, that file, whenever you have taken snapshot, that files you will get. Okay, so after snapshots, maybe you have done changes something in that volumes, it doesn't reflect. Okay, we don't have any direct synchronization automation. So whenever you, maybe some other files you have created, X file or Z file or A file or B file, so after snapshot if you create anything, it doesn't comes under snapshot. Okay, so again if you want to reflect these all things, again you have to do take backup, like you have to create another snapshot. You understood? Okay, you got it, guys? So now I want to move data from one availability zone to another availability zone. Okay, so this I have to open this. Okay, from for example, don't think this availability zone, just to simply you can consider region. Okay, I want to, let me copy this. Okay, here this is another availability zone, like for example this is, if you say Singapore. Okay, and this is Mumbai. Okay, so now my data is there in Mumbai. Okay, I want to copy, or I want to migrate my data from one place to another place, from Mumbai to Singapore. Okay, let me see how. Okay, here to here I want to migrate from one place to another place. So let me create one server in Singapore, because some availability zones are there, so I don't want to waste my time. So that's the reason I'm just directly taking Singapore region. So I want to create one, where is that, EC2, create one server here. AMI is there here. What is the time now, guys? 11:45. It's taking too much time. It's too slow, man. Sorry. One second. Singapore region, this is Mumbai, that's fine. Let me go here, instances, AMI. Okay, I'll take AMI. So, Ubuntu, SUSE, Windows Server. Snapshots, let me try. Snapshot, actions, copy snapshot. Hey, it is easier. I don't want to, I'm making myself more confusion. I don't want to do more complicate. Singapore, where it is? What is the Singapore? AP Southeast 1. AP Southeast 1. Northeast. AP Southeast, where it is? Not see able to AP Southeast. This one, right? Right. Okay. So create snapshot. See this, guys. Let me check the same data is replicable or not. Refresh snapshots. Let's see. Yeah. See this, guys. We got right. We have copied from one region to another region. See. Okay. So just switched one place to another place, and whatever snapshot I have created and copied from Mumbai region. This is Mumbai. Once again, this is Mumbai region. So again I have switched to Singapore. The same data is copied. Okay. So one question, guys. This is interview question. I will ask you. Can we update EBS volume type or a size? Okay, while it is in use. Volume, you are using volume. Can we able to update, or you have to increase? If you want to increase the size, do we need to stop it or detach it? After that we can increase, or we can able to use it in live? Yeah, your volume, for example, your volume, whatever volume which I have taken is 8 GB, right? So that 8 GB data continuously getting and hitting, users are hitting, data is increasing frequently, data is completely increasing. So at the time my data is reached up to the level, up to the mark, maybe up to 8 GB or 7.9 GB. So then lively, immediately I have to increase the volume. I have to increase the volume in live. Is it possible? Okay. So fine. Can we check once? See this? Actions. Where is volume? Oh, I'm sorry. This is additional volume. Actions. Modify volume. Can I increase up to 11? See this, guys? Why it is showing this red color? Yes, that I have already shown. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 is already there, but it's taking 10. Why? Because we are keeping the same as it is. 10 in the center as it is. 11 it is taking. 12 it is taking. 13. Above 10, above whatever current size, the above current size it will take. Okay, 12 GB for example. Modify. That's it. It will change. Okay. Well, yeah, we cannot decrease. Okay. Let me check again. L S. Tell me guys. L S B L K. What is this? How much? 12 GB. In the sense live itself I have increased, right? So I did not stop anything. Okay. Okay, guys, time is out of time running. I have to go. I have class. I have other meetings. Okay. Fine, guys. This is about EBS. We'll continue. Some more topics are there in EBS itself. So let's continue EBS and we will discuss more clear tomorrow. So any doubts, let me know, guys. I did not check your work today. Tomorrow I'll check your work on EBS. Okay, you have to do practice, and don't forget, after practicing, don't try to keep like this. You have to delete. Okay, then you can avoid the bills. Okay. Thank you all. Gayatri, thank you so much. Sham, thank you so much. Ashwant, thank you. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll wait for one more minute. Any doubts? Along with the EC2. Yeah, along with the EC2 only. Yes. At the time, actually, while you are creating EC2 instance, that actually the demo purpose I have gone completely demo blindly. But if in your real-time case, what will happen is you will get complete requirements. Okay, you will get user stories, entire requirement, whatever the client needed, entire user stories you will get. According to that only you will create. Don't worry about that. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining AWS classes. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Yes, Gayatri. That is different. That is different. No, we don't have any comparison actually. That is for especially that is for load balancing, load distributing. I'll show you. So just give me 1 second. No, not yet. Okay. So actually initially I have to explain these guys too, but the thing is this, they have directly jumped into VPC. As Latif bhai told, I have to take VPC, guys, am I right? So that is the reason directly I have taken from VPC. As he mentioned, everything covered. That's the reason I did not cover any load balancers. So for example, continuously users are hitting. Okay, so for example, Google is there. Okay, Google just working on ELB, elastic load balancer. By using load balancer only, Google is working. Google does have lot of servers. Okay, so people are continuously hitting. Okay, for example, one server got issue, it will take automatically into another one. Okay, the same name with the Google. Okay, it will be distribute. Okay, it will be load is distributing to in different ways. Actually, load balancing, it will be balancing the load. Okay, whatever the load is getting, that will be distribute. Okay, so for example, you have one browser. Okay, that may be your company related. Okay, so people are, for this load balancer will be there. Okay, so by using load balancer, you will keep few applications, maybe the same application, maybe the browser related. Okay, you will keep load balancer. Okay, in this, by using load balancer, first of all, whatever the persons will hit, okay, that will go to the load balancer first. That load balancer will try to reach this actually. For example, one server is blocked, it definitely will go to the another server. It is running, it will be inactive, it will be inactive, and it will be inactive. Okay, if something goes wrong, it doesn't go here, within fraction of seconds it will reach to the active one. So that's the reason you never face any issues, okay, with the Google, because of load balancer. Load balancer will always try to check the activation. Okay, by using load balance we can continuously keep our service in live and active. There is a big topic actually, load balancing, that I will explain you on another class whenever we get a topic. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you so much, thanks for joining call, see you tomorrow, take care.